Hello, I hope you are doing well. Now welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this wildlife social media post in Adobe Photoshop. It is simple but somehow complicated in this software compared to Adobe Illustrator. Now let us get started. First, go to ellipse tool and create an ellipse. Then Ctrl J to duplicate it and reduce the size of the above shape. To reduce the shape, hold the Alt key and drag your mouse to the center. Now change color of the above ellipse tool. Then go to rectangle tool and create a small rectangle above the shape. Make sure the size of the rectangle is small. Now arrange to the center. Then Ctrl J to duplicate the shape. Now to the above rectangle, go to Properties, then Transform and rotate the shape to 45 degrees. Then go back to the rectangle below. Ctrl J again to duplicate, and this time rotate the shape to 90 degrees. Then go back again to the rectangle below. Ctrl J to duplicate, and this time rotate to negative 45 degrees. If you finished, then group all of the black shapes and convert them to smart object. Now go to Selection tool. Select the above shape. Then go to Select Subject. And in case the selection doesn't appear to all shapes, then try to change the way. Maybe try this magic wand tool, or if doesn't respond, then adjust the selection. Go to Quick Selection tool, then start adjust. Now go back to Ellipse tool below. Then add layer mask to the shape below. Then invert the mask by Ctrl I. May convert it to smart object. So you see now. Okay. Let us bring it back and turn off for a while. So now our shape is compound. You see? Yeah, it is in a single layer. So what to do right now, change the color of this shape. And our intention of changing the color of this shape is just for easy selection. Now choose a single segment from the compound shape and click a magic wand tool. After doing so, create a new layer and fill a solid color. Repeat the same process to all shapes. Now you see, we have a separate shapes. I hope you also have a good result. Now let us start pressing our image to the shape by clipping mask to each shape. Now if you are finished, draw an ellipse at the center of the shape. Now group them in a single group layer. Now start writing your text. Now, if you are finished, you may save your work. As I have said, the process of creating these shapes is very simple, but complicated once you compare to Adobe Illustrator. Now, thank you for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and comment. Thank you. See you until next time.